Hey Travel Baes, it's Steph. I recorded a really cute intro for you all, but it did not come out right and I don't have time to re-record it because I need to pack and get myself to Savannah. That's right, and you get to steal my itinerary. It'll be a fun one with a very special celebration, so buckle up. Let's get into the vlog. My family and I loaded up the car and drove down to Savannah for a nice vacation. Savannah is about 3.5 hours from Atlanta, so a quick and easy drive. I'm driving down with my dad, stepmom, and younger siblings for my birthday, so really excited for this trip.
Is it coming? If we were in Nigeria, this would be common, right?
Oh, yeah. This is express freeway.
And 2 cars will be driving here too.
After we got back on the main road, we headed out to Forsyth Park. Forsyth Park is one of the largest parks in Savannah. It's really nice if you want to go and have a good time with your family. You can picnic. They have tennis courts, basketball courts, playgrounds for your children. They also have musicians, vendors, and apparently it's a great place to practice your tightrope walking. We have some time to kill before we check into our hotel, so we decided to walk around and get some family photos.
You're 22. You're 22. Tú atajando. You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
Not gonna lie, I've been crushing on this hotel since I first came across it, so glad to finally have a reason to stay. I went downstairs to enjoy their complimentary wine hour, got myself a glass of Pinot Grigio, and it was a nice day, so I decided to enjoy it out on the courtyard and do some people watching until it was time to get ready for dinner. I'm incredibly blessed and grateful to be walking into a new year of life surrounded by those that love me. Our hotel was perfectly located, just a few minutes walk away from River Street, which is a fun place to be if you're visiting in Savannah. It has all types of shops and restaurants. Tonight we're going to get a seafood dinner and then we're going to do a haunted ghost tour after that. Savannah's Candy Kitchen is pretty legendary on River Street, so I had to go and get some gelato. They also had popcorn with very interesting flavors. You were able to sample it, and I sampled the spicy and the pizza, which actually tasted like pizza. It was really interesting. The gelato flavors were plentiful, and they also had these cones that were specialty flavored as well. I ended up getting the midnight vanilla cone with birthday cake ice cream and extra sprinkles, of course, because it is my birthday. Then toured around the candy store to see what other sweet treats they had. The next morning, we got up and headed out to Tybee Island. Tybee is an island about 20 minutes off the coast of Georgia. You could easily get to it from Savannah. We were heading out there to do a historical tour. Since this is the Deep South, I was very intentional about the tours that my family and I would do. This particular one was great because it wasn't like many others that glorified the Confederate South. We booked our tour with the Tybee Tour Company. Our tour guide's name was Jack, and she was very knowledgeable about not only the history of Tybee Island, she was personable, she made the tour funny, had like witty banter, and got us all engaged. Honestly, one of the best tours that I've been on. It made me consider doing more historical tours when I'm on vacation. Deets on how to book this tour are below in the description. I'm also going to include some of my fave highlights from the tour, but not enough to give it away because it's definitely something that would be worth the experience.
You are looking at the champion. Why the girls they shaking your shit? With the person with the cash. Aje, get killing. Aje, get killing. Aje, big killing. Champion. You are looking at the champion. You are looking at the champion. They want to touch it from my banana. And if you know get work, you be jankara. I beg you to make you go sit down for one time. All day, but down. If I dance, for me, my apology. You know, I wanna see. If I dance with the story, look at the lobby. The champion. When I reach Poland, then call me Odo. And I say, got the town, I'm for you. Nobody can stop you. So we they fly past over any obstacle. You do. Get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them, get them, beg it, get them, beg it, get them.
After lunch, it's the perfect time to head to the beach, which is also a stone's throw away from the restaurant. You could settle in, enjoy the views, and just have some family fun. Thank you for watching this travel vlog. There's a free gift for you down in the description. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye, Travel Baes.